Everybody, welcome to my channel, DIY with Knick Knack, where no mess is too big to clean up. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I created what I call this heart tree. All of my items came from the Dollar Tree or only costed me $1. And I also recycled some items, like this orange cap came from a bottle of orange juice and this green cap came from a jar of peanut butter. As you can see, I'm just assembling these the way that I want them to be. And I did try a few different items and these are the ones that I ended up going with. Now that I have this assembled the way that I want it to be, I'm actually going to be using E6000 glue as well as hot glue to bind it all together. I will be using Rust-Oleum black spray paint to transform this flower pot once it dries. It typically takes 24 hours for E6000 to completely dry, so I'm going to wait that time before I spray paint it. Now that I got my flower pot all glued together, I'm going to allow it to dry, and while it is drying, I'm going to start on my heart tree. So I got all of these hearts from the Dollar Tree. The paper glitter hearts that I'm going to be using actually came 5 in one pack. I also purchased these small foam hearts. Everything matched so perfectly. I just wanted to try everything together and it came out absolutely beautiful. I also got the red little pom-pom balls. They came with red and white in the pack and you'll see those in just a second. Once I got all the hearts that I wanted placed, I did have an extra pack of hearts left, so I decided I wanted to create a 3D effect. By doing this, I just cut it in half, and then you'll see I'm just going to glue it right on top, and it's just going to pop out and make it extra beautiful. I did notice once I placed my 3D hearts on top, you can see pretty clearly a white rim. So I'm actually just going to go over that with the red permanent marker and it'll cover that right up. Back to my flower pot. Now that I got it painted and dried, I'm actually going to add some grass to it. I got this bed of grass from the 99-cent only store in their garden section for $1. I am using this foam block to give my heart tree some stability, and I purchased this foam from the Dollar Tree. And I'm going to fill it in with some greenery that I got from Walmart for 99 cents. This is my final step and it is all done. Here is the final look. Thank you all so very much for watching. I really appreciate you taking out the time to watch this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, God bless you.